UBTG. Antonia, his three-pointer. Oh, sa pagsamin! Oh, Goya! Chance to break the deadlock. Here's Homo sa kanan, Reyes to Lopez. And Lopez to the try! Rest of the evening, Boy doing please layup as well. Boy up to MGM, Team KQ to break the deadlock. Magandang efficiency so far on their attacks. Ordonia bigyan kay Lebron. Cross-court, Moral. Sa gitna, Manansala. High number shot is good. Homo in the company going to attack here. Bigay sa kalawa. Jasper Warbay. Oh no. Off the iron that time on the three-pointer by Jasper Reyes. There's a boom. What a quick attack this. That's going to be his first two. Now Akpo looking to his teammates. Now Moral on the drive. Chok Moral. Lebron. Bigay kay Paul on the drive. Now Akpo lilipad. Showtime here tonight. One of the squads doing what they done best. Luis Reyes of the steal. Looking for an opening. Now Lopez with the catch. Bigyan niya MJ. Homo. Bigay sa kanan. Lopez this time. And an easy reverse for Francis Lopez. Pablo Cholo. We're going to... Now Tamayo, Logo, Tamayo lead. His first shot but misses last three. Now Ator, Ator with the ball down. Now Kruger, Moral, also. Checking this rim. Right now, UBTG, here they come. Bigay kay Lopez. On the three, Debelo. Easy layup lang. Lopez there with the jelly. On the other end, Lopez runs. Oh my goodness. The rim has to be checked. Look at that throwing down. Throwing it down one after the other. And this time, it's Cholo Manansala. Yes, susunod na. Bigay sa gitna. No fire. No fire. Nothing going down. Right now, it is Akpo. Here's the ball. Cholo with the catch. Cholo. Cholo Manansala. Look at the ball. Look at they're having some fun. Down. Baklaan. Service of North. Kian. All about the three sa ilalim. End of the catch. End of the finish. Kian the rebound. Kian bringing the ball down. Sa kaliwa, SB in the ball day. No! De La Cruz, easy put back. Put it back home. Right now, Lentings sa may kaliwa. Teardrop, pass it home. Lentings. Right now, the reverse is good. Mon De La Cruz. Here is Baclan. Bigay sa tikna. De La Cruz, favorite shot. Mon De La Cruz. Uses the pick of Mendo. Baclan on the drive. Three men collapsing on him. Able to find sa may kanan. Here's Laminsu. Passing his way. No, on the reverse. And go with authority. Demolition, can't fire. Lentings sa may kaliwa. Baclan in defending him. Sa ilalim ni Antonio. He's a shot. Puts it in. Tito Antonio. Here is Mo Fire. Crosses it over. Loses the letter. Blocking the possession. He gets it back. Lentings. Third three. Hesitation. Jumper. Puts it in. Lentings. Beautiful move. Using the glass. Right now, Kian wants to counter, attacking the defender. Kian Baclan, that's a birthday boy. Let's it fly. No good. Please miss. Oh! Underneath, waiting. With a throwdown. Now, oh! Navarro with the company on the attack. Demolition, defending him, going right. Kian taking his dribble. Laminsu from 17 gets set to go. Laminsu. Bigay sa kaliwa. Pinoy basketballista sa kanan Lopez. Didiskarte. Francis. Pull up. Takes away. Pops it in. Now, Baclan on the drive. Lays it up and in. Making it look very sports copy. Lopez and Pinoy basketballista. Lopez, oh! 3-point. Pero dito, here's Carl, crosses over, on the drive, Tamayo with the finger. Coast to coast play, coming from Carl Tamayo. Now, the plan, lays it up in. Getting ready to enter here for UPTG. Sports Papi, bigay sa kaliwa. Ascension, bigay kayo ng Mo Fire. Fire del Pelo, passing his way against Laminsu and the hook shot. The hook to go in. Now, oh, Ascension is here. Tatakbo, Pinoy basketballista. Ascension, oh, number 2. It's gonna be KQ team again with the basketball. Sa may kaliwa, bigay sa may ilalim. Tayo, team KQ. Sa gitna, and another one-hander. Tamayo, crosses it over, pull off, no, oh, it goes in. Oh, Tamayo. On the other end, Kian Baclan, showing out. Nakakabawi ba Espiritu? 8 seconds to go. Mulmon gets set to drop. UPDG, Rai Sports in the middle, on the drive, layup, no, oh! Mo Fire! With authority. Cholo has a drive. No! De La Cruz will not get it alive. Pero UPTG recovers. Carl Tamayo with the ball against Baclan. What a matchup. Carl looking to Lopez. Back to Tamayo sa may kanan. Uses the pick. Tamayo from 18. Gets set to go. Carl Tamayo smooth. Tatakbo Mahal. Easily up on the other end. Naman namin sa palaong pambansa, how he can amaze us. It's time Coach Zach misses. Kian Baclan crosses it over on the drive, exchanging hands in the mid-air. Right now, Francis Lopez, his three-pointer, puts it in. Francis Lopez from kill, Mohal defending him. Zach making his dribble up, bigay kay Francis. Lopez for the tie. Yes! Francis behind the back. Good defense in the front. Sa kabila, Francis Lopez. Here's the pointer. Won't go. But he gets it back. Another chance here. He's gone. Reverse. Yes. Beautiful. English on that layup. Right now, Cholo. Bigay kay Ian sa araw. What a combination of Rogal and Daklan. Oh, Kim Daklan. Running it up from Kim Jasper. Reyes on the move. Right hand puts it in. That although he's capable of electrifying dunks, but also he can surely. Right now, as October hitting it from deep. Tamayo sidestep, beauty. Gets it to go. Oh, there's a steal by Macti. Right now, Macti brings it up, puts it in. Instant offense for Coach Hansel. Macti scoring his first 2 points of the game. Right now, sa may gitna, Endo with a steal. Tatakbo, Lebron. Right now, Bryce Tag. Sa may kanan, Bebelo dito. Bryce Tag na siya. Puts it in. Daling magtapo. On the other end, Fire easy throwdown. Once, Boy, he wants a pick. Sa may kanan, Macti with the catch. Bigay kay Endo. Endo on the move. Finger of beauty. Boy with the ball against Francis Lopez. Going left and right. Alley protection. Here is Tamayo. Price tag defending him. Look at Tamayo there. Bigay kay Lopez. Tumulong fire! Here is Francis. Lopez this time with the basketball. Bigay kay MJ. Omo looking to Carl. Tamayo against De La Cruz. Now fading away. Gets it to go. Carl Tamayo. Right now, Tonya. Looking to Moon. De La Cruz gets the one-hander. Rattles down. Now, sa may kanan, and the birthday boy gets the show fire. Clear the way out as small fire. Or rather, that was on the part of De La Cruz on the other end. On the job here, De La Cruz lays it up into that hand. 4 minutes and 15. Now, here is Alba. Is the West. 109.